Hello guys and welcome to volokinproject. My name is Tony and I just bought a brand new shiny Xperia XZ2 half the price. Now Sony UK is trying to charge £580 in their UK website, but I managed to get my hands on a brand new unit for only £290. Now there is a very good reason why should you go for this phone right now, especially for 300 quid is absolutely a no-brainer, simply because it still runs the latest and greatest Snapdragon 845 processor, as well as compared to the brand new Sony XZ3, which is coming down anytime. It's on pre-order at the moment in the UK website, costs £700 guys, and the only difference is the screen. Instead of 5.7 inch is 6 inch, and instead of LCD it's AMOLED, and there is a bump in the front facing camera as well of the resolution, and pretty much that's it. All the rest of the phone is essentially the same. So why should you spend 700 quid on it? Of course you don't, and of course you get one of these. I'm gonna do a review really soon, but before that let's do a quick unboxing and see what's inside. Okay guys, let's do a quick unboxing and see what we're gonna get. Now the seal is already broken, so I'm not gonna pretend I'm cutting it out. I've already had a look before that. So let's see what we have. I'm gonna put the box over here on the side. I've went for this ice blue or silver color because basically that was the only option available. Although I could have wished to get the dark green color, I call it the British Racing Green, but I'm gonna leave the phone aside over here and see what else do we have. We've got hopefully a quick charger. Let me see, 5 volts, 2700 milliamps. Okay, kind of quick charge over here. Right, we've got some books over here. Let's see. Okay, instruction manuals, Xperia Care. Okay, some other stuff over here, and let's see what else do we have guys. We've got 3.5mm dongle over here, USB Type-C cable, and some earbuds. Sony, they look actually better than all the rest of the companies which are copying Apple's design, so this could be some proper earbuds over here. But let's have a look at the phone itself guys. Okay, right, let's actually take this wrapping off, shall we? Okay, I did it the other way around. All right, I guess I can do that as well. I'm gonna put this one over here, and the screen protector is gonna go away as well. So what do we have? Oh man, this is kind of beautiful, to be honest with you. Of course, the bezels, you can definitely see the bezels, they're a little bit big, but the rest of the phone is actually beautiful. There is a slight kind of sheen to it. It's quite interesting, but it's bulky. Oh man, check this out. It looks like the battery has just expanded, and considering that's only 3200 milliamp hours inside, man, this is fat. Now let me quickly pull up a couple of other phones to see how does it stack up. So there's the Galaxy S8, and well, oh, actually, I'm surprised, to be honest with you. The Galaxy S8 is a small phone by today's standards, and it's almost as big as the XZ2. That's interesting. Let's see, compared to the OnePlus 6. Okay, the OnePlus 6 is noticeably bigger over here, guys. And let's see how about the Pocophone. Because the Pocophone is the hot phone everybody's talking about, you can get one for about 260 to 300 pounds, and I just got the Xperia for 290, so it's gonna be an interesting comparison. And yeah, it's a little bit smaller than the Pocophone, so actually size-wise I'm quite happy with this phone. It's definitely quite heavy, to be honest with you, but the buttons, let me check the buttons. Okay, the power button is exactly where I want it to be. Actually, let's power this baby on. Okay, the volume button is high above over here, really high build quality. And the power button, yeah, is just on the way on my thumb. I'm happy about that. Camera shutter over here, and the fingerprint reader. Let's see. Oh man, I'm gonna have a problem with that, because check this out where I'm tapping. I'm tapping on the camera, and if it doesn't have some sort of a, you know, nice coating, there will be fingerprints all over the camera, and the fingerprint, yeah, is definitely not in the way where it should be, guys. Okay, so first look of the screen, I quite like it. Very saturated reds over here, greens, yellows. Yeah, Yeah, man, the screen looks nice. For an LCD screen, it looks quite nice. There's a small kind of a, can you see the small little black line all over the screen? I guess that's a part of the display driver. I don't know why they kept it like that, to be honest with you, especially considering that the bezels are quite thick. But anyway, so far that is it, guys. Give me about 2 weeks and I'm gonna see you in the full review, but I'm feeling that that's gonna be the bargain of the year right now. 290, 300, you can get one for, let's say, 330, something like that. It's cheaper than the OnePlus 6. Yeah, give me about 2 weeks and I'll see you in the full review. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and see you later.